Minister for Justice Bryan Kramer says the Undisclosed Wealth Bill that is expected to be tabled this month in Parliament is for the public servants. He also explained that the Ombudsman Commission usually protects the office that the members of Parliament occupy, and MPs are answerable through the Leadership Code. Minister Kramer says it is the RPNGC's jurisdiction to impose this law.
Transactions both in and out of the country over 20,000 Guinea and more. There are provisions that require a process of reporting that to FASU. So there'll be grading powers also to the police commissioner in terms of him seizing or requesting records or any documentation using his powers under the Proceeds of Crime Act. And there's also avenues of seeking orders from the court, just like a arrest warrant or a search warrant. So police must provide sufficient reasonable grounds for the court to be convinced that it is in the interest of the court to issue a search warrant or a unexplained wealth order.
Attorney General Dr. Kwaz says it is the government's aim to bring back integrity in the public service through this proposed law.
The idea is that we want to get public servants to declare their assets every year. So we might get the public servants to sign an oath and declare that that's the asset that they have. That's the income that they have. So that if there is a complaint against them, then we go back and we check their declaration, and then it will reveal to us that, well, when you gave us a declaration, you told us that you had only one car, and all of a sudden you have two cars, and there is no explanation as to how you got that second car. And then that's where we start to investigate whether you got that car illegally or lawfully. So that's an amendment that we'll also bring to the general orders to provide a mechanism to ensure that public servants actually make a declaration. And the idea is that anybody can lodge a complaint. So you can lodge a complaint with ICAC, you can always lodge a complaint with the DJAC, because we look after anti-money laundering, to the police. So anybody can lodge a complaint, just so long as they see a public servant having something extra, which they know that it's not within their earning capacity. They can lodge a complaint, and based on that complaint and investigation.
Esther Bralyn Wani, NBC National News, Port Moresby.